How to decorate your event on a budget. Today I am going to share with you some DIY event decoration ideas which you can use. My name is Susi and I am an event decorator. This is the picture of an event I have done previously. This was done for a baptism function. So I thought I'll take this as a reference and will share with you few tips and tricks I use to do this event. So let's get started. When I look into an event decoration, I like to divide it into 4 sections. The first area of focus is the entry decor area. The theme and the ambience of the event should be conveyed to all the guests before they enter the venue. Of course, the next focus point is the main part, that is the stage decor. And the third area of focus is the table centerpieces. Fourth but not the least is the photo booth area and the photo props. As you all know, photos makes memories, so this area is very important and can't be neglected. So all these 4 areas will be discussed in detail. Today I am going to talk about the stage decor part. The first thing you have to keep in mind when you start planning for an event is selecting the theme. You have to stick on to this theme when you select all the decors. For example, in this event I have chosen pastel shades as my theme. As you can see, all the decor products goes with that pastel shade theme. Another important cost-cutting tip is DIY your flowers. As you all know, professional flower arrangement is not cheap. If you like to keep your function simple, you can make your own flowers and make your event beautiful. As you can see here, I haven't used any fresh flowers. All are handmade paper flowers, that too in those pastel shades. Another tip is use low-cost fabric and paper decors. As you can see here, I have used net fabric as the backdrop, which is not expensive at all. I have also used paper pinwheels and paper pom-poms to add colors to my event. Another tip is use mood lighting. Throw some light on your space. Fairy lights and candles are my best friends when it comes to decorating a venue. Here I have used a lot of fairy lights to elevate the ambience. These lighting elements are inexpensive, but it makes a world of difference. Another important tip is giving a personal touch to the event. This is one of the main things I focus when I do events. This was the baptism of Eliza. Here, I personalized it with displaying baby's picture on the wooden crate. I also displayed baby's name alphabets on a wooden ladder. By adding these 2 elements, I not only gave a personal touch to the event, I also incorporated the wood element to the decor. Here for this event, I have mainly used giant flowers, paper pom-poms and paper pinwheels. I have made a separate tutorial on these 3 and I have added a link here, so those who want can check it. So I think I covered almost all the tips in stage decoration. If you are watching the video without subscribing and if you like my content, please do consider subscribing. See you next week with table centerpiece ideas as well as entry decor ideas. Stay tuned.